This is NickRants, where nothing said is personal and laughter is guaranteed. Don't be a and enjoy the video. Viewer discretion is advised. Hey, what you saying, guys? Welcome to NickRants. Hey, welcome to NickRants. I actually cannot believe how close we are to 1,000 subscribers. I think right now we're about 10 away. I never thought I'd see this day. Maybe it's gonna be today, maybe it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna pop a bottle, I'm gonna do everything, I'm gonna party, because this has been almost 4 years of waiting, 2 years of actually like posting proper videos, 2 years of posting dumb gaming videos that you will never see again. So if you're OG from there, hey, let me know. Because I wanna know. And my goal was to build this up, but not off friends that I know, not off people I know, but off people I don't know. There's people from all over the world that I've viewed it. I've seen people from Germany, I've seen people from Greece, people from Palestine, I've seen people from everywhere watching my videos, and I love it and I appreciate it and I love helping all of you, because I thought it would only get to Canada and USA, and clearly it's getting to actually more everywhere else. It's actually barely in Canada. But yeah, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna have a little bit of a special there. I'll probably have a $50 giveaway to some people. I'll let you know more about that at the end of the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what my hair looks like from dry to wet, pretty much like the whole, like a little speed through, basically, so you guys can see how much hair actually, like how much your perm actually changes from when it's wet to dry, because it changes dramatically. I tell you guys that in the comments all the time. When it's dry and when it's wet, it's not gonna look the same at all. It changes completely. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of a time lapse. That's the word. And yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I finally got a haircut. It's been time. It's been years since I last got my haircut. Finally got it cut again, and I'm ready. And you guys can look at my videos if you guys want. Whatever hair you're gonna see at the end, whatever hair you see now, that is what the pink rods do, which are the second tightest. But in some places around the world, they got yellow ones, they got blue ones. So I think it's the second tightest. It's also good if you like alternate, you put like the second tightest and the first tightest and the second tightest, but first tightest, make sure it's bringing your hair back. I also went on a little Walmart shopping spree to show you guys the products I use and what I recommend using so much. Number one, I've said this a million times. If you follow my channel, you know this product. It is Marc Anthony Instantly Thick Conditioner and Shampoo. Both of them together, it makes your hair instantly thicker. It just instantly gives you volume, instantly gives you everything. And the thing with perms is, even if you had thick hair before the perm, you're gonna have thin hair. Your hair is gonna be really thin. It's just gonna happen. Alright, so using this makes it more defined and makes it look natural. The amount of people I've run into that get surprised when I tell them I have a perm, it's uncountable. Uncountable. Everyone always thinks I'm natural. It's because of this product strictly. This product helped me the most. I didn't use it for the first year and a half, 2 years. Then I stopped using it, and then I used it again, and I saw the dramatic difference. Use this. And it's only like 8-10 bucks. Like, and then number two, you can use any curling cream. I love Marc Anthony. Might as well just stick with Marc Anthony. I appreciate him. You guys can choose whoever you want, can too. 50-50, and Shea Moisture is good too. And if you can look at my hair, it doesn't look that nice right now. This is what it looks like when I wake up. A lot of people don't understand, especially on the second day. A lot of people think, oh, my hair's loose or my hair's this, I gotta get it re-permed, I gotta do this. No, when you sleep, you move a lot in your sleep, alright? So your hair gets caught between you and your pillow, your head and your pillow, all night. So that's like 8 hours, 9 hours of it constantly getting caught. Obviously, it's gonna straighten out. But the thing is when it hits water, that's when it's like, when it hits water, it resets. It resets to its original form, basically right after you got perm. You'll be able to tell the difference when I wet this, because this is what it looks like when I just woke up. And I'm a big sleeper. Like, I move everywhere. My bed's always wild when I wake up. I move. But yeah, I appreciate all of you. Hopefully I'll be at 1,000 subscribers by the time this is uploaded. There's gonna be a special, there's gonna be a giveaway. Stay along for that. Alright guys, we're back from the shower, so that means it's time for the cream, and then after this is gonna be the time lapse. So let's get ready. So with the cream, you want to put it in when it's wet. See, this in my hair once it's wet. Transformation from once it was dry and I slept in it. This is what it looks like. For the cream, you just want to evenly put it around all your hair, just so that all your hair feels the same. But you also want to get in the roots, because that's when the ones that are most likely more straight than the actual top. If you made it this far in the video, you'll know, drop N in the description if you made it to here, and you'll get entered in the giveaway. And the giveaway will be given away as soon as I reach monetization. So the more and more you do that, the more and more you put my videos on repeat, is the higher the chance that it's gonna come faster and that you have a better chance of winning it. Because the more P's I see, the more chances you get. Basically how the giveaway will go, I have a lot of you guys on Instagram thing, Snapchat. I'll just give you guys one of my Snapchat, Instagram. You guys would message me on there after I do whatever draw, reel, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but someone's gonna win $50, and then I'll basically just send you the code and you do what you want with it. Maybe buy Perm products, maybe not. Maybe just go buy a bunch of other stuff, I don't know. But it's gonna be on a code, so you'd probably have to buy something online. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Hopefully next time I see you guys, I'll be at 1,000. Love you all. You're all appreciated. Have a great day.